So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to yet another session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that any stock, any security that we might discuss in today's session should not be considered as a buy or sell recommendation, and we're just doing it for educational purpose. So, without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty 50's chart analysis for the day and probably for the week for the last few sessions as well. As you can see, this orange line, that is the 50 DMA, has acted as a strong support, strong not support at the moment, resistance for Nifty, and for the last 6 to 7 trading sessions, if one looks at it, and Nifty's had muted movement along this TDMA and is unable to reclaim it in the last 5 to 6 sessions. Talking about this session where Nifty breached your 100 DMA, at that point of time, we shifted the market status to downtrend. Why? Because at that point in time, your distribution day count had increased to 6. And when it goes past 6 and Nifty breaches its key moving averages, William O'Neill suggested that you need to take the market to a downtrend. So at that moment, we had shifted the market to downtrend. Post that, for 3 consecutive days, day 1, day 2, and day 3, market stayed above the lows of the recent lows of 17,774. So post that, we shifted the market to a rally attempt. So as we all know, we are in rally attempt at the moment and searching for a follow through day. So probably if a follow through day happens now, reclaiming the 50 DMA and the 21 DMA, then we can see the rally happening in the coming time. We have seen FTD failing in the last few times, but probably being New Year being started and your institutional activity will slowly come back on board. So even your volumes will come back on board. So if with that, if with volumes and we get the FTD and with you can see good price volume action going forward with markets reclaiming the 50 DMA and the 21 DMA, then you can see a decent amount of decent set of rally coming in for your market going forward. Talking about key news, your HDFC in Q3 FY23 assigned loans was rupees 8891 crores compared to 7468 crores YOY. Railtel received orders worth rupees 186 crores from the South Eastern Coalfields to provide MPLS VPN service for the period of 5 years. Government keeps your PF interest rates unchanged at 7.1%. Your Vedanta's Q3 FY23 total aluminum production grew by 2% YOY to 566 KT. IndusInd Bank's Q3 FY23 advances grew 19% YOY to 2.72 lakh crores, and your deposits grew by 14% YOY to 3.25 lakhs crores. The DMart's Q3 FY23 standalone revenue from operations grew by 25% YOY to 11,304.6 crores. Talking about your global market update, your US markets came on board last night, where for a couple of days it was off for your New Year celebration, and the action was muted considering it was the first day of your trading year, and your Dow closed flat, your S&P and your Nasdaq closed slightly lower by 0.4 to 0.8%. Your Asian markets are trading mixed, by Nikkei trading down by 1.4%, Shanghai and Kospi trading up by 0.4 and 1.2%. Talking about your XGX Nifty is trading, is indicating a muted bias with muted opening with a negative bias It's like if we talk about with reference to yesterday's close, it's trading around 40 to 50%, 40 to 50 points lower at around 11 to 57 a couple of months back. Talking about the sector view, we can see that very few indexes in terms of your sectoral indexes are trading above the 50 DMA. That is your Nifty metal, which is actually comfortably trading above the 50 DMA around 5.8%, and your banking sector around 2% is trading above the 50 DMA, which is probably the leaders at the moment. And all the other sectors, if you look at it, are trade your realty, your pharma, IT, financial, FMCG, energy, auto, all are trading below the 50 DMA. And probably some have breached their 200 DMA as well. The pharma and the IT. The IT, if we talk about it, for the last 52 weeks or 1 year, has been a major laggard. And we have been talking about the IT woes as well. And similarly, your energy is also trading below the 200 DMA. So as we can see, a couple of sectors or which are leading the rally at the moment, and as William O'Neill always suggested, the ones that are probably less beaten down are likely to show the recovery in the fastest way going upward. So let's see when probably an FTD appears, which of these sectors will be the ones that probably recover fastest and are able to reclaim their key moving averages first, and can be this new set of leaders going forward in terms of sectoral leaders going forward for us in the next rally. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And our wait for FTD continues, and if we get an FTD, we can probably come back to a rally going forward. Thank you.